So today we're having a bit of a play around with a few favourite bits of kit. So one of them's new, one of them's old. We've got the Kassbohrer newest edition. It's the Kassbohrer new generation 4-axle trailer. Lots of mod cons on this one, and so having a little bit of a play around with it. We're loading up the Claas Scorpion 7055 on the back using all the mod cons available to us thanks to the Kassbohrer, kindly supplied to us by A&M Commercials. Special thanks to Claas Man as well in Headcorn, Ryan, who's been kitting us out with the best stuff from Claas available. This bit of kit, in particular the 7055, has just come back from a successful trip in the Falklands as of last year in 2022. And yeah, we're looking to replace it with two new additions. So we're going for Claas Scorpion 756s. Really good bits of kit as well, buckets, forks, the whole lot, all supplied to us by Mans at Headcorn, so special thanks to them. The Kassbohrer is a really good piece of kit as well, so it allows us to do a lot of different bits of work with it. It's all ADR compliant, orange boards, front and rear, that kind of thing. It's got extra locker space for any of the heavy haul work that we do, so all the chains and extra bits of kit that we'll need for that. It's got extendable sides and it also extends out on the length by 5 meters, so it allows for us to do some difficult, some little bits of work that are a bit more particular. The oversized loads and any heavy haul work that we're faced with. It's also had a few modifications done to it. It's going to have some modifications done to it as well in the future. So one of them on the list is to be able to make it compatible, twist lockable for two 20-foot containers, to make it double up as a bit like a skelly trailer. On top of that, also it's got the capability to be able to accommodate 15 stillages on board, so really good for the LPG work we do with companies like Flowgas in repatriating their cylinders back to them in big batch loads. So yeah, real good piece of kit, and we're really happy to have it on site.